I used to eat a lot of food. I used to eat a lot of people's tiffins. So I used to eat like 5-6 times. My thighs were so बड़े मोटे thick that they used to rub against each other. तो उसकी वजह से rashes होते थे. इतना weight था. रुकना कहाँ है मुझे पता नहीं होता. We are not able to balance. What worked for me was
the trajectory of your life is कि इतनी सारी चीजें हो रही हैं, फिल्में भी हो गई. Is it like you're on are you feeling like you're on this very shift path?
Yeah.
But where are you headed from here? कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
The thing is, whatever has happened in my life has not happened because I wanted to happen in a certain direction. Life has always happened in an unexpected way. So the question, तो coming back to your question, I don't want to plan. It's better and best that way because क्या होता है ना, expectations gives you a lot of के होगा
exactly.
और फिर वो नहीं होता ना तो बहुत hurt हो जाता है. हाँ.
पर आपको याद हो कि last time हम मिले थे गणपति के फेस्टिवल में, if you remember, जिनकी फिल्म आपने की थी. तो मैं तभी भी आपको देख रही थी, आप में वो एक आस्था तो है ही, विश्वास तो है ही, but you're also a man of science. You started doing architecture, so at some level, I'm sure you have a certain logical way कि आप अपने करियर को आगे लेके जाते हैं. You know क्या है वो आपके लिए process? I should work out every day. मुझे रोज सोचना चाहिए. क्या है वो रोज?
नहीं, that process should be there in every whatever field that you are in, whatever profession that you're pursuing. That process is always there. कि you have to, for example, if you are into architecture, you have to go to the office. You have to be there and religiously you have to follow the assignments. You have to submit the thesis, whatever you're supposed to submit. So similarly in acting, you have to go to, you have to do work on your fitness. That can be regarding dance or martial arts or gym. Gym जाना जरूरी है, बस body बनाना जरूरी है, ये सब नहीं है. Looking at me, you can see, you can figure it out. I'm not a builder or something. But yes, you have to make sure that your bodies are not aging, your face is not aging, and obviously the secret to that you asked me, what is the secret behind keeping yourself so fit? So yeah, I think keeping yourself fit is very important. Eating the right food is very important. And again in this field, लोगों को लगता है acting बहुत easy है या सिर्फ आके बस कैमरा पे रहना, but the amount of maintenance that goes throughout every day, that आपको इतने सारे sacrifices करने पड़ते हैं कि आपको यहाँ नहीं जा सकते, आप ये नहीं खा सकते. आपको कितने एक्टर्स का आपने सुना होगा इंटरव्यूज में, आपको 6-6 महीने वो लोग ब्रेड नहीं खाते या स्वीट्स नहीं खाते, वो लोग गिव अप कर देते. सो दैट इज नॉट इजी. एंड प्लस to wake up on time, to sleep on time, to not go out and suppose for example party so much that get carried away.
इधर भी चलो,
looking at the limelight कि चलो यहाँ भी जाए ना,
every day भी नहीं कर सकते हैं.
Correct.
Of course कर सकते हैं. अब तो हम नहीं आ सकते भाई. We can't come for your late night
इतनी बिंदास है. नहीं, लेट नाइट की नहीं, मैं इवेंट्स की बात कर रहा हूँ.
Okay, but some parties are in the evening, na?
Yeah. Parties are in the evening, but yes, it all depends on whether you can. But see, I have my excuses, I have my shoot, I have everything, so I can like actually give a valid reason. So you have to come up with a valid reason and you have to make them understand also.
मुझे इनकी एक स्टोरी बहुत पसंद आई कि because Hrithik is my favorite and he said वो जो ऋतिक का छोटा बचपन प्ले करते हैं वो मैं हूँ, गोलू मोलू था, 110 kgs. Yeah. Can we just clap to that, Divya?
To reaching 110?
No, to becoming, like you said, Hrithik Roshan. Explain. No, yeah. Oh my God.
What part? Reaching 110 और
part was struggle, और प्लीज हिंदी में बताना, बहुत लोगों तक पहुंचना चाहिए.
नहीं, बहुत एक अलग लेवल का स्ट्रगल था स्कूल में वेट को लेकर. लाइक द फनियर पार्ट वाज my I would say my thighs were so I would say क्या बोलते हैं, बड़े मोटे thick that they used to rub against each other. तो उसकी वजह से रैशेस होते थे. तो मुझे याद है मैं यहाँ पर पैराशूट तेल लगाता था so that they shouldn't be rubbing each other. इतना वेट था. But yeah, on the contrary, our family was healthy. सब मोटे थे, सब खाते पीते घर के थे. तो लगता था कि हमारी फैमिली है, तो मतलब किसी ने किसी को रोका ही नहीं कि. और मेरी एक सबसे और आज भी मेरी वो एक दिक्कत है कि रुकना कहाँ है मुझे पता नहीं होता.
Like the chips thing that you
like chips thing, मुझे पता ही नहीं. So for example, even if like Divya says late night party, वो रुकना कहाँ है मुझे पता ही नहीं होता.
That just sounded a bit shady, but I will let that pass.
Not shady.
The way she said laugh at it.
No, I'm because she's seen it.
अच्छा, किसको जाना है, इसको जाना है, वो जाने का.
My friends have been there with me.
Yes.
Post 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m. So they are like, पार्थ इतना स्टैमिना आता कहाँ से तुझ में? So it is that everything is extreme. आप उसको एक चीज दो, वो एक में ऐसे घुस जाते हैं, फिर उसको दुनिया भूल जाते हैं. Now the whole problem over there is we are not able to balance simultaneously. If we are into one thing, we are so much into it, we forget the other things.
No, but you know,
That's
you
the whole
remind me
issue.
of Amir sir. उनकी पिक्चर भी रिलीज हुई
हाँ
है.
हाँ, Piscean है ना?
Pisces हैं
So
आपकी
मैं
तरह.
Piscean हूँ, तो वो हाँ.
वो भी बोलते हैं वो एक चीज में घुसते फिर वो निकाल
लेना,
it's
हाँ,
actually it's a condition if you say.
yeah.
तो एक चीज जिससे आप बहुत obsessed रहे हैं when you were trying to lose weight as a kid, वो क्या था? Because वो obsession ही आपको यहाँ तक लाया है.
हाँ, एक चीज जो मैं बहुत obsessed रहा था regarding
to get rid of your weight.
To get rid of it, everything. As in, I was obsessed with food. I could not. मतलब I used to eat a lot of food. I used to eat a lot of people's tiffins. Everything. मैं उनके टिफिन्स खाली कर देता था. मुझे शॉर्ट ब्रेक में भूख लगती थी, मुझे लंच ब्रेक में भी भूख लगती थी, मुझे ब्रेकफास्ट में भी भूख लगती थी. तो I used to eat like 5-6 times. So there was no end of it.
कोई है टिप बच्चों के लिए और जो देख रहे हैं, क्योंकि obesity is an issue nowadays.
Obesity is an issue. Yeah, absolutely. So I think मेरे लिए what worked for me was working out at the right age. Not working out in terms of I used to do a lot of aerobics. There was no weight training. So I used to do, क्योंकि हमारे back then right now what we call as Zumba. तो मेरे लिए वो aerobics था.
पिक्चरें देख के डांस नहीं करते थे?
नहीं वो नहीं था. इंग्लिश गाने सुन के हम डांस करते थे. And give me a one, give me a two, वैसा वाला types.
And that helped.
That helped. And actually, I think because so back, I'll tell you all the kids out there who are in their teenage period. Your metabolism is really high at that period.
Yeah.
So if you eat,
lose it,
you will put on a lot of weight. But if you lose simultaneously, you will lose a lot of weight.
Yeah.
So I would recommend if you work out in terms of if you start running, do cycling or swimming in that 14 to 18 का age gap ना,
you can lose.
Trust me, your height will shoot up. You will lose a lot of weight, which happened with me.
Yeah, 5 feet के they were 6'1" हो गए.
हाँ, एकदम. तो मैं ऐसा था तो एकदम वैसा हो गया, थोड़ा लंबा हो गया.
रेडियो सिटी रग रग में दौड़े सिटी.